Ever wondered if there's more to cayenne pepper than just adding a kick to your favorite dishes? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the fiery world of cayenne pepper, and we're about to uncover surprising uses that will have you saying, "Wait, what?" Whether you want to boost your health or discover some handy home hacks, this fiery spice has your back. Stick around to the end to discover all the unexpected ways cayenne pepper can spice up your life. And let me know in the comments which use surprised you the most. Let's get started. Number 1. Reduces migraines. Inside cayenne pepper, there's a compound called capsaicin. It's what makes the pepper taste super spicy. Now, capsaicin has this cool ability to block something called substance P. Substance P is like a messenger in your brain that tells you, hey, you're feeling pain. There was a study published in the Pain Journal where they had people with migraines test out capsaicin nasal spray. And guess what? They had fewer headaches and less intense pain. So, in simple terms, cayenne pepper, with its capsaicin, acts like a pain-blocking superhero for migraines. You can use cayenne pepper for migraines by adding a pinch to hot water for tea, applying capsaicin cream to your temples, or adding it to your food. Start with a small amount and see how it works for you, but always talk to your doctor if you have any concerns. Number 2. Self-defense. Cayenne pepper can actually be a pretty effective self-defense tool. When you spray it at the bad guy, it hits them right in the face, and let me tell you, it is not a pleasant experience. Capsaicin, the stuff that makes it spicy, when it gets in your eyes, it burns like crazy, causing intense pain and irritation. So when you spray it at someone who's trying to attack you, it basically disables them for a bit. They'll be too busy dealing with the pain in their eyes and throat to keep coming after you, giving you a chance to get away and find help. Plus, pepper spray is small and easy to carry around, so you can have it handy whenever you need. Just remember, it's not a toy. Only use it if you are really in danger and need to defend yourself. Stay safe out there. Number 3. Promotes healthy skin. Cayenne improves blood circulation, which means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your skin. So say goodbye to dullness and hello to that healthy, radiant glow. It's got some serious long-term benefits too. It contains antioxidants. They're like tiny warriors fighting free radicals, molecules that can damage your skin and make it look older than it should. By keeping those free radicals in check, cayenne helps your skin stay youthful and vibrant for longer, and its antibacterial properties can clear up those annoying breakouts, leaving you with smoother, clearer skin. Number 4. Supports digestive health. Cayenne pepper stimulates the production of saliva, which starts the digestive process. Additionally, capsaicin increases the production of stomach acids and enzymes, which aids in breaking down food more efficiently. This could be a lifesaver for those whose digestion moves at a snail's pace. And despite its spicy reputation, cayenne pepper actually protects your stomach lining, potentially lowering your risk of developing ulcers. It works by stimulating the production of mucus in the stomach, providing a protective barrier against stomach acid and other irritants. This mucosal layer acts as a shield, safeguarding the delicate tissues of the stomach from potential harm. Additionally, capsaicin possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which reduce irritation and damage to the stomach lining. Number 5. Boosts circulation. Cayenne pepper widens your blood vessels, which means more blood can flow through them. This improved blood flow results in better circulation all around your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your cells more efficiently. And hey, better circulation can also help with things like reducing swelling and even promoting healing. Now, how can you use cayenne pepper to boost your circulation? Well, you can sprinkle it on your food, mix it into drinks like tea or lemonade, or even take it as a supplement if you're into that. Just remember, start with a little bit because cayenne pepper can be pretty powerful. Number 6. Food preservative. Ever hear about using cayenne pepper as a food preservative? It might sound surprising, but this fiery spice can actually keep your food fresh for longer. The capsaicin in the pepper acts like a natural barrier, inhibiting the growth of bacteria and fungi that can spoil your food. It disrupts their internal machinery, and this disruption can lead to leakage of essential substances from the microbial cells, causing them to lose their structure and function. Additionally, capsaicin messes with the enzymes that bacteria and fungi need to survive and multiply, And the best part is, unlike some chemical preservatives that you might find listed on packaged foods, cayenne pepper is a natural solution. So if you're aiming for a more organic or eco-friendly approach to keeping your food fresh, cayenne pepper fits the bill perfectly. Number 7, improves heart health. Bad cholesterol, also known as LDL cholesterol, can clog up your arteries, and we all know that's not good for the heart. But don't worry, capsaicin helps to clear out those cholesterol clogs, keeping your arteries nice and clear. This means better blood flow to your heart, which is crucial for keeping it healthy and happy. Cayenne pepper also regulates blood pressure. When your blood pressure is too high, it's like putting extra strain on your heart. But cayenne pepper has this amazing ability to relax your blood vessels, which brings blood pressure down to a healthier level. There have been studies that show how cayenne pepper can work wonders for your heart health. One study published in the journal Nutrients found that people who consumed cayenne pepper regularly had lower levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, which are another type of fat in your blood that can cause heart problems if they are too high. Number 8, improves blood sugar levels. Insulin is like a key that unlocks your cells so they can take in sugar from your blood. When you have diabetes or struggle with high blood sugar, your body either doesn't make enough insulin or doesn't use it efficiently. But capsaicin helps your cells respond better to insulin, which means your blood sugar levels can stay more stable. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that cayenne pepper reduces the risk of diabetes and other obesity-related metabolic dysregulation. Pretty cool, right? So if you're looking to spice up your meals and give blood sugar a boost in the right direction, consider adding a dash of cayenne pepper to your dishes. It's like adding flavor and health benefits all in one fiery package. Number 9, natural energy booster. When you eat cayenne pepper, it kind of gives your body a little shock, waking up your senses and getting you feeling more alert and energized. It's like a natural wake-up call for your body without the crash later on like you might get from coffee. But that's not all. Cayenne pepper also gets your blood flowing. Remember how we talked about how it widens your blood vessels earlier? Well, that increased circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are getting delivered to your cells, giving you a natural energy boost. There was this study that found people who took cayenne pepper supplements actually felt more energetic and less fatigued. Number 10, boosts mood and mental clarity. The heat from cayenne pepper can have a stimulating effect on the nervous system, helping to increase alertness, focus, and mental clarity. Capsaicin activates the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are associated with feelings of pleasure, happiness, and well-being. Additionally, cayenne pepper's ability to improve circulation can enhance blood flow to the brain, providing it with the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function optimally. And here's the best part. You don't need to consume lots of cayenne pepper to get the stress-reducing benefits. Even just a sprinkle here and there can do the trick. Whether you're adding it to your favorite dish or sipping a soothing cayenne pepper tea, a little goes a long way. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 11, reduces allergic reactions. When surrounded by pollen, pet dander, or whatever else sets off your allergies, your body goes into full-on defense mode, releasing histamines like there's no tomorrow. These histamines cause inflammation, itching, and sneezing. Basically, they turn you into a mess. When you consume cayenne pepper, capsaicin gets to work by calming down the inflammation caused by histamines. It tells your body to take it easy, which reduces the severity of your allergy symptoms. Plus, it can also open up your nasal passages, making it easier to breathe when you're feeling all stuffed up. Now, I'm not saying cayenne pepper is a cure-all for allergies. Everyone's body reacts differently. But adding a little spice to your life might just give you some relief when those allergies come knocking. Number 12, arthritis pain relief. Arthritis is when your joints get all swollen, stiff, and achy, making it hard to do simple things like tying your shoes or opening a jar. Now, cayenne pepper is like a boss at blocking pain signals in your brain. So when your joints are screaming in agony, it tells your brain, hey, chill out, no need to feel all that pain. It also calms down the inflammation in your joints. You know that red, swollen feeling? Yeah, capsaicin says, not today, inflammation, and eases that discomfort. There was this study where they looked at people with arthritis who used capsaicin cream on their achy joints, and guess what? They felt less pain and stiffness. Number 13, rodent repellent. Rodents have a super sensitive sense of smell, and they absolutely hate the strong scent of cayenne pepper. It's like kryptonite to them. So when you sprinkle cayenne pepper around areas where rodents like to hang out, like entry points or corners, they'll catch a whiff of that spicy goodness. And the best part is, it's all natural. No need for harmful chemicals or traps that can harm other critters or pets. Also, it is completely natural and biodegradable. So not only are you keeping your home rodent-free, but you're also doing your part to protect the planet. You can mix cayenne pepper with other natural repellents like peppermint oil or garlic for an extra powerful punch. Number 14, weight management. When you eat cayenne pepper, capsaicin kicks your metabolism into high gear. Your body heats up, and that means you burn more calories, even when you're just sitting on the couch binge-watching your favorite show. Plus, capsaicin reduces your appetite, so you're less likely to raid the fridge for a late-night snack. A study published in the Journal of Appetite found that people who added cayenne pepper to their meals actually ate fewer calories throughout the day. So if you're looking to shed some pounds or just maintain a healthy weight, consider adding a little cayenne pepper to your meals. Just remember, start small and gradually increase the heat as you get used to it. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you later. Number 15, prevent cancer tumors. Cayenne pepper slows down the growth of cancer cells and even triggers their self-destruction. It works by targeting specific pathways in the cancer cells, disrupting their communication and signaling systems, ultimately leading to their demise. One study found that capsaicin was particularly effective against prostate cancer cells, inhibiting their growth and inducing apoptosis, which is like programmed cell death for cancer cells. Another study suggested that capsaicin could prevent the spread of breast cancer cells by blocking certain receptors involved in metastasis, the process where cancer cells travel to other parts of the body. Of course, more research is needed to fully understand cayenne pepper's role in cancer prevention and treatment, but the early findings are undeniably exciting. Number 16, garden protector. So, you've spent hours planting your favorite veggies and flowers and eagerly waiting for them to grow into lush, beautiful plants. But then, disaster strikes. Little critters like rabbits, squirrels, or even insects decide to turn your garden into their personal buffet. Not cool, right? Well, enter cayenne pepper, the fiery hero of your garden. These pests have a super sensitive sense of smell, and guess what? They can't stand the strong scent of cayenne pepper. Mix cayenne pepper with water and dish soap to create a spray. This diluted solution can be misted on the stems and around the base of your plants to prevent pests without harming the leaves. You can also place sachets filled with cayenne pepper around your plants or near potential entry points for pests. Number 17, antifungal properties. Fungi have these essential processes they need to carry out to survive and multiply, right? Well, capsaicin messes with those processes. Eventually, they can't keep up, and they start to lose their structure and function, kind of like a house of cards collapsing. Capsaicin also messes with enzymes that fungi rely on to thrive. It's like cutting off their food supply and leaving them hungry and weak. So whether it's athlete's foot, nail fungus, or a yeast infection, cayenne pepper's antifungal properties can help put those fungi in their place. Just be sure to do a patch test first to check if your skin can handle the heat. And of course, if you are dealing with a serious infection, it's always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider. Number 18, eases menstrual cramps. When you're in the midst of your monthly cycle, your uterus decides to throw a little tantrum, contracting like crazy to shed its lining. And those contractions can cause some serious discomfort. Cayenne pepper relaxes those overly enthusiastic uterine muscles, easing the intensity of those cramps. Plus, cayenne pepper's ability to improve circulation can also play a role here. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your uterus, which soothe those angry muscles and reduce the overall pain. Now, I'm not saying cayenne pepper is a miracle cure for menstrual cramps. Everyone's body is different. But adding a little spice to your diet might just give you that extra bit of relief you've been craving during that time of the month. Number 19, hangover cure. Alright, let's talk about the morning after a wild night out. Head pounding, stomach doing somersaults, and wishing you could turn back time. Cayenne pepper helps to kick your metabolism into gear. Do you know how your body's feeling sluggish and slow? Cayenne pepper says, "Not today, buddy," and stimulates things, helping you flush out those toxins faster. Cayenne pepper also boosts your blood circulation. Remember how we talked about that earlier? Well, it means more oxygen and nutrients are reaching your tired, hungover brain and body, giving you much-needed relief. You can add a pinch to your morning glass of water or juice, or even sprinkle it on your breakfast eggs. Just be careful with the dosage. You don't want to set your mouth on fire first thing in the morning. Number 20, enhances libido. Cayenne pepper triggers a response in the body that increases blood flow and stimulates nerve endings. This enhanced circulation can have a positive effect on sexual arousal and performance by promoting blood flow to the genital area, leading to heightened sensations and improved sexual response. Additionally, capsaicin stimulates the release of endorphins, which are neurotransmitters associated with the feelings of pleasure and euphoria. These natural mood enhancers contribute to a more positive mindset and increased sexual desire. So, next time you're planning a romantic dinner, consider adding a dash of cayenne pepper to the menu. So there you have it! Who knew that little red pepper could pack such a punch? From soothing migraines to keeping rodents away, cayenne pepper is truly a versatile superstar. Whether you're looking to spice up your dishes or your life, this fiery friend has got you covered. So next time you reach for that bottle of hot sauce, remember all the amazing benefits that cayenne pepper has to offer. And hey, if you try out any of these tips, be sure to drop a comment below and let me know which one surprised you the most. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!